Okay. Hi. My name is Jazz. I'm from Ukraine. I do some research in Hama, Buddhism, and Vipassana techniques, meditation techniques. Thank you for having us today, and I have some few questions. Um, as I know, you are you eldest son of
No, second son.
second son, Mr. Goenka? What is your name? I'm sorry.
BL Goenka, Banwarilal Goenka. In Myanmar, they call me Umang Shui.
Okay.
Uh,
And how has your father's legacy influenced to your life?
my father is very big businessman in Myanmar, and he born brought up in Myanmar, and he childhood very intelligent, and his in study his school he was very uh, brilliant, very good student in his life. And those days when after his school, when he went to college, uh, his father, our grandfather, was not well, physically not well, so he can't continue his uh, college, and he came back to Mandalay. My father born brought up in Mandalay. To study, he came to Yangon, and when my grandfather is not well of illness, he back to the Mandalay and stay there with his father. After Second World War, within Second World War, our whole family went to India, migrated to India, and came in 1947. Myself, we all six brothers, all born in Myanmar, and I am the second one. My father put his six sons to six schools. I am in Burmese medium. My elder brother is Hindi medium. My third one is English medium. Like that, all different schools we study. Myself with Burmese students, with my class friends, all are Burmese, surrounding with Burmese, and that's why I'm more attached with Myanmar. My father was very big business industrialist in Myanmar those days. After 1962, before 1962, he got migraine, headache. So, Chief Justice of Myanmar, he told me there was the technique you can use. Your the pain will be go away. But he was not accepted, because this is one kind of religious. My father those days he was a Hindu, so he not believe in other religious. So he said this is not religious. This is one kind of practice. You may try it. And he went with him to the Siajuba Khen Center near Yangon. There was a India Myan Road. There was one international meditation center. So he went there, and he talked with the Siajuba Khen, and he told Siaji, I am a very busy man. I have no time to take, I can come to here to stay 10 days. So he told, you need. I am only giving you. If you take, you can get, otherwise I can't do anything. He promised Siaji, I will come after 1 month. Now I have many appointments with me. I can't, recently I can't come. And he went away. After this 1 month, he not get any pain. this migraine. All of a sudden, when the 1 month finished, the migraine started. So he remembered his promise and he ran away to the Shajuba camp. And from that day till today, after always he get the very good result. And it is a purity of mind, not a medicine, nothing but purification of the body. So slowly practice, and he had very big anger in his life. He was very rich, very famous people, so his ego is very strong. And when slowly he
It's gone after the practicing.
pass away, then at that time in 1962, in Myanmar, the military government is take over, and he nationalized all the shops, all the business, all the industry, everything nationalized. So he Goenkaji have 6 industries, big industries in Myanmar, and very big export house. His own industry have own port for international shipping. Near to his factory, the Bran oil factory, there was industry. There was a river. In that river, the international overseas, the big ship own port is there. All are nationalized. So when he nationalized, he was determined, I am not doing anything, and I do this Vipassana. So he
Totally changed.
totally
his life.
changed,
Okay.
and he become practice, and afterward 64, after 64, 65, Shaji Ubakhe start teach him as a teacher.
Okay.
And 1968 June 20th, he left India for teach his mother and parents to Vipassana. From there, he started
Teaching.
teaching family members and slowly friends. Like that, our family stay in Bombay. So all businessmen slowly spread, and then start
Growing this.
growing, other countryside, every city he always is going there. And
But what was the your his influence to you in your life? Or you've been living here in Myanmar. He was in India at that time. Then he came back, and did he teach you? Your family, family members, and what happened?
We all, my father take course in 1954, but we are those days we are child, and I came by 10th standard school. Then I am in the Burmese school. My Burmese is not good, so I always end of the week I go to the center. Friday evening, Saturday, Sunday I stay in center because Shaji Ubakhe teach me, give me tuition like in Burmese. So my homework all in the center. So my whole childhood I am attached with this Vipassana more. And from every weekend I am in the center. So very much close with the center and the meditation. So 1961 December I take my first course in IMC International Meditation Center, and from there up to 1975 every year I took one course in
Ubakhin school.
Ubakhe Center.
So
Then 1975, there was no business, nothing. Everything is all honest lines. So 1975, myself and my wife, we are only no children. So we both went to India and stay there and start our business there. Then Goenkaji told, I have 6 sons. I want to stay, and one of them in Myanmar. I have no children. I have no attachment, anything. I asked my wife, "Are you ready to go back Myanmar?" Okay. So we both come in 1990. 1990, I came back here, and every year I taking course in Dhammagiri also, 75 to 90. So the Vipassana uh, attachment is there. When I came back here to, first I start in my house every Sunday group sitting. Those old students are who want to come to take course or take meditation. We are starting from my house. The group sitting is there every Sunday, and slowly we want to be a center here. We organize to start a center, because IMC is very small area and this is very posh area, very expensive area in the in Yangon. So everybody can't go there, and there was less of space, or we can't expand the center. The limitation is there. So we start another one center in Dhammajyoti in 1993. Guruji come here and he searched. We reserved 3-4 lands to show him. He allowed this land.
he chose this one.
This land, because it's heart of the city and full of trees of 200 years, 300 old trees.
Wow.
So it's like a jungle, and atmosphere is very good.
Nature is very.
Yeah. So we decided to start here. And 94 we start. But in 93, when Guruji come here back, we start 2 courses in another monastery. There was little near about airport. And then we start here. Now the center is now in Yangon. 22 center is there. 22 center in Myanmar. Goenkaji centers.
With other centers.
Huh?
With other centers.
With other center, only our traditionally Shaji Goenka traditional 22 centers
22. Okay.
and 4 in jails. In Yangon jail,
Jails. Wow.
the prisoners are staying. 4 in jail. And
And how many other schools of numbers of schools, not your Goenka's tradition, in the country, in Myanmar?
many.
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 More than 100?
Maybe more than.
More than.
Many traditional, some are something, some are something. Many things are there.
But not Vipassana.
But Vipassana, everywhere Vipassana, but some is on the candlelight, some is something like that. Attachment is there.
Yeah.
In our traditional, on the breathing,
On real things. on real
natural.
natural sensation.
Nothing attachment is there. Somebody is the God, mighty God, or something.
Visualization,
Or,
verbalization.
visualization, like that. Some is verbalization, like that.
What about this 22 centers? Do you know any numbers of students passed the courses from since first center
Every
opened?
not one day the start in 22. First start in Yangon,
Yeah.
then slowly
Slowly
in
grow.
all Myanmar. Maybe 2-3 million, maybe. I exact figure I can't.
Approximately 2-3 million people since first time opened till now.
Just 1 minute. ကျွန်တော်ရိတ်တာပေါင်းမှာယောဂီဘယ်လောက်ထိုင်ပြီးပြီလဲ
ဆရာကြီးဒီမှာလားဆရာ
အားလုံးကျွန်တော်ဗမာပြည်တစ်
ဗ
ပြည်
မာ
လုံးမှာ
ပြည်တစ်ပြည်လုံးမှာယောဂီအားလုံးပေါင်းနှစ်သိန်းကျော်လောက်ထိုင်ပြီးပါပြီဆရာ
နဲ့တင်ရတော့ဒီမှာတောင်းချော်ပါပြီ
ဟုတ်တယ်
ဒီမှာတစ်ခုရန်ကုန်တစ်ခုတည်းနဲ့တင်ချော်
နှစ်
ပါ
သိန်းကျော်တယ်
ဟိုဗမာပြည်တစ်ပြည်
ဗ
လုံး
မာပြည်တစ်ပြည်လုံးဆိုရင်3
တန်း
သိန်း
လောက်
လောက်ထိုင်ပြီးပါပြီဆရာ
တန်းလောက်တော့ရှိမှာပါဒီမှာတောင်းအများကြီးရှိ
ဟုတ်ပါတယ်ဆရာ
near about 1 million
Here,
no
nearly about 1 million people since that time. So many, yeah.
here maybe half million
Half million only here.
only here
Wow. And
then now here is about
17 10 days courses here
how many?
217
10 days courses
417.
17 417
17
Yeah.
10 days courses.
yeah
Since opened.
Yes.
Okay.
So
That's
it's-
a big number. And I heard that it's about 95,000 people since open here, or it's a half million. So half million.
half million
Oh, it's a big number. Yeah.
so the short course long course gypsy camps many are children course
Yeah.
this is only for 10 days
Yeah.
short course also there many gap many old students is coming back
What is the growing numbers now? How many schools will open maybe next year? Do you plan to open any?
new center we are opening now on 8th April
8th of April.
yeah in near upper Michina
Okay.
I am going there opening center
Okay.
and 9th another one is Musa near China border
Okay.
2 centers coming up
2 more centers
coming up in April
2015. April.
April
And what is any plans to this year or next year?
strong devotee 100 we need otherwise we not open the center
100 students. Okay.
Old
100
students.
Yeah.
and they can spend the time
Yes.
and they can Dhamma work then it become a center because spread Dhamma in fastly center coming up in Myanmar Thailand these countries are Buddhist countries those which are
Very
spread
fast now.
very fast and in like Middle East for 10 years one center will become up like
Wow.
that
Middle East. What about Europe?
huh?
Europe.
Europe is also very good our year one center is opening
We have one in back in Ukraine.
yes previously there was another center is there but management is not strong
Okay.
so another one groupism take it like that going on many center like that we spoil it
Oh.
the greediness of the trust they so would you cut it no you take it you start new no want to do controversy anywhere in Cambodia 2 center gone India 4 or 5 center gone because they attachment with the property land like fighting the land cost is go up sometimes they purchase the land not in the name of the trust personal name
Personally,
so
it's not Dhamma.
it's a my so
The
leave it
The question is about what is the what shifts, changes do you see occurring now in the country because of your father's legacy? And I know that there are traditional Theravada tradition of Buddhism. So, what is the relationship between people, followers of this tradition, and Vipassana technique?
others traditional. Well,
Others.
here is the very strict rules and regulation. other centers, other practice are there, Vipassana there, but the attachment is there, somebody, something, visual or chanting or anything. Here is nothing, and you can't speak, you can't talk to anyone. So when you're speaking silent, then mind also
Works.
was silent slowly.
Yeah.
You talk more, you can't. Your mind is not settled.
Yeah.
So that's why they more effective. They get very fastly to the goal. They arrive.
Yes.
That's why the center is coming up very fastly.
More
More people
coming.
come
Local
because there are
people.
many traditionalists there. Well, those are somebody has take about 20 years continuous meditation, but not get till today.
Yeah,
And
no
when
results.
when he come here and they win discipline, he get within 3 days, 4 days the sensation.
That's
He-
what I felt.
yes. So he get because the discipline,
Yes.
not talking,
Sure.
not thinking, only working.
Yeah.
Then its result is okay. Another one thing is food. Food is pure veg. Non-veg is when you kill any animal, he have big misery. Nobody happy when you kill him. So his misery become with the meal in your body.
Yes.
So misery is more developed in your body.
I have a question about the food also. I was wondering, are any centers providing organic food? Is any food being organic? Not.
I not know about that, but many in Myanmar all are non-veg. So the childhood they take non-veg, and 10 days they can't take veg for 10 days. Psychology they feel they are not healthy. After 10 days they run away to the doctor and put the drip
Injection.
like that. This is sentimental. We are born bred up vegetarian. Nothing happened to us, but they think like that. I am whole year I take meat, and to 10 days I am not thinking. I have no
Right.
big strong.
I was just wondering about the organic because the whole focus of this going technique is the natural, right? The natural breath, making sure that everything's natural, nothing added, nothing taken away. And so a lot of the time I see in the West at least, there's a huge emphasis on organic food because
Yeah,
you're not
organic is
contaminated.
very good, but we are not a farmer.
Yeah.
We not know what he produced.
Yeah.
His label is organic, then we think this is organic. But I don't know
Right. It's hard
what
to
is
know.
this.
Yes, it's right.
So we are not going that way. Organic is very good. But if you not get the pure organic, then you have in mind, I took not pure organic. So your mind is go that side. Your work is for meditation, not for thinking about
about
that.
the food,
This
yes.
is wrong.
Okay. Now, what is the question is about your role in organization and influence in the Burmese community and organization as well.
Yes, because of my father, every department of the government, they give me very good favor, and they are very believe to me and very good relation with them. That's why everywhere we when start a center, they are willingly help us. And in my business also, because I am not sannyasi, I am a householder, so I need business to income to survive this, donate everything. So my business, everything is helpful from the country person, and they are very happy with me and my family. I'm most of I'm doing. Previously, I've industrialist also, but slowly I less the work. And now old age. Now I am 70, so I slowly doing more time. In my wife is teacher, Vipassana teacher.
Where?
With me in my house. They come 10 days course. They taking to teach.
Who is coming to your course?
Huh?
Who is coming to your course? At your place, 10 days Vipassana course.
Well, I'm not taking here.
To your wife, I mean.
Here many times he take course,
Giving
teach
course.
course.
Local people.
Local people.
come.
She born brought up in Myanmar. I am also born brought up. So we both can speak Burmese very well.
Yeah.
So he teach Burmese people. Every community come in, but more than Indians more come because they can speak their own language with him, with her.
Yeah.
So they comfortable with him.
What is situation with? I mean, how many people, how many monks and nuns, right? Nuns are coming to visit practice? Because I saw during
Yes.
the course.
Previously, we took here for only monks courses. In the whole year, one or two courses for monks only. But later on, there were some problems become in the country. The monks' rights is going on, so we stop it, and we allowed in one center, every center, for maximum 5 monks can sit.
Because of the regulation of the government?
Regulation, not government regulation.
Sangha.
Here, the laymen and monks not sit together. For them to pay respect the layman. So his seat is little bit up
Higher.
from the layman.
Okay.
And for them, many traditionally the rules is there, and they take food and they can't sleep on the bed,
Okay.
only in the floor. Like that, many things is there. So for them to
Special.
help them, it not possible. So we allowed only 5. We can serve 5 for no problem.
But they want to come more.
More, we are not to give the seats.
Okay.
Jointly with the laymen and the monks, it's also a big problem.
Okay.
So those who are, we have one rules and regulation. You want to come here, you can stay with the layman, no problem. Like we take undertaking. Otherwise, they sit here and they shout, "Oh, there's a layman like doing that." No problem. You want to sit, come. Otherwise, queue is more, application is more. We select from there,
Okay.
and they have to take undertaking. Many things are there. Previously, we allowed only monks, only nuns. But nuns is no restriction how many nuns they can come.
Okay.
But monks only 5.
Why the difference? It's just tradition.
Nuns can stay with the public, no problem. Monks must be stay alone and very restriction on their system. So Dhamma worker can't help him, can't serve him properly.
We went to a village yesterday after the course, where the
Sayataji,
Sayataji.
the Shaji Ubakhin's teacher,
Right.
Yeah,
The
but he's
great grandson.
grandson.
Sayataji was here taking a course with us, so he offered to take us to the village.
Yeah.
we took the interview from teacher. We saw this monastery, and I asked him what is the differences. They said that they do some 40 objects of meditation. It's not. It's a visualization, also, and it's a different. It's not on natural, real respiration like sensation, but another way of.
Many ways. In more than 100,
Yes.
maybe more than 100 also, I don't know. So many things. They are stepping, I am taking my leg up, going straight, putting down like that. Mind is on the working. Somebody is, my breath, my stomach is going in, out. Like many things there.
But it's
So-
not giving
So they are
results.
outside, you are saying. Outside seeing is you can't concentrate your mind.
Yeah.
You're in body, inside you, when you study, then your mind is settled. So
Was it?
somebody one candle and looking this candle, light is like this, they concentrating the light only. Many kind is in the world. In Myanmar is many kind. Main the concentrate the mind, main thing. How you control your mind. When you think something, you never think about present.
Yeah.
You always think for future
Or past.
or past. When your mind is settled, you are thinking about present. And this is the main goal. So when your mind is settled, or you are control your mind, then you can
Go deep.
think what happened, with what going on in your body or inside your mind or anything, what is going on when your mind is settled down. Otherwise you can't check your body what going on. So this is the thing, main thing, the silent and study or settle down to practice inside your body, not outside.
Yeah, yeah.
Other technique was that wise they are attached outside
Outside.
things. He add today materializing of the world or the thing. Today thinking of the peoples, what they think, he know, and how to explain them.
Okay. So the way explain.
The way
way
explain
okay.
the today's world, what thinking, and on that base he explain everybody
Yeah.
very easily.
Simply and easily.
Simply.
That was the
Otherwise,
example.
you tell the whole old practice rules to this
Present time, it's
present
not gonna
time
work, yeah.
not work.
Yes.
Yeah.
And he explain you
influence, yeah.
the today's theory. Simply understand.
Yes.
Talking about science, bringing in
Yes.
science, explaining how it is science instead
So
of
his actually main influence was to explain, in
Explain
a proper way
or more clearly.
for people who lives now in this century. This time.
Now, every year, every decade, the people is more intelligent. The brain is developed. So, to their level, we can explain them, he can accept. If we can't explain them very well, he can't accept. Or if I am backward, so no one come to me. Everybody want advanced level. Now telephone, handset and Viber, many fast. So we also have to go fast.
Yeah.
No, nobody know you are going back and verbalization or you thinking something. This is old days, okay, but now the world is very fast, growing up,
Exponentially
expanding,
growing.
growing. So you have to
be on the wave with the
wave.
evolution. Yes.
Yes.
Understanding the purity of the technique which was passed down, but now allowing it to proliferate in the world.
What
as it exists
world is
now.
going on, like that you explain them, then he can catch up, and the result is same. Practice is same, not change. What Buddha saw, what Lady Shadow said, what Shataji said, but way of explanation. What change?
Have you experienced any other techniques, not Vipassana schools, but the other?
Before I take Vipassana, I have, because born brought up in Myanmar, so many traditionalists there. So we are also passed with them. Mahasi I took, some Sulungu I have taken, but not 10 days, 3 days, 1 day I sat there. It's a one candle light, we see the light only, not like that. This also, but nothing I get.
Okay.
That is only satisfaction of my childhood. Or some monks told me, or some elder told me, that's why I do, but not get anything. When I start the Vipassana and I practice and I understand. My first course in 1961 December 24th to 4th January, first course in life 1961. And 1975 I went India first time. I born brought up in here, I married here, everything here. In 1975 I went to India. There I take one first course in Hindi.
Okay.
My mother tongue is Hindi, but I am born brought up in Myanmar, so I know Burmese very well. And I take all course in Myanmar only, with Shaji Waking. And first course in India, in Hindi. I thought my old 15 years waste. Now is the best course for me, because I understand very well in my mother tongue. My
Mother tongue. Yeah.
mother tongue.
Yeah.
So after 5 years I take many courses, but every course I think last course is nothing. Now I get real course. So every time your wisdom is
Growing.
growing, glowing.
Yeah.
So practice is same, theory is same, and
You're
your
developing.
system is change.
All the time.
All the time change, and you get more, deeper.
Finding your own truths about the technique and how it
The
works.
technique is technique same. The discourse is same. Nothing change. But your understanding is changing.
Yeah.
You are more intelligent. Every year you
Panya.
become a more
Yeah.
sharper, and your think is more deeper. You more get the more quality. Same technique I took first course 1961. Now 2015 come. Last year I take one course in Bombay, 14. That day I think my whole 50 years gone. This is the first course for me.
It must feel great to know that this technique is now helping people all over the world change.
But you have to do. Nobody can do for you.
Yes.
You can't purchase. You can't get from the anyone verbalizing or giving you. No, you have to get.
To do it yourself.
If you yourself, otherwise nothing. This is nothing for you. For now we recording, we are doing is nothing.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
When you do, you get only you, not your parents, not for your brother. No one get you only.
Only you. Yes. So this is your recommendation to people who's gonna
Yes.
watch or listen. Just few words. Can you tell a few words to people?
As a practice, and whatever you practice, you have believe on that. If you not believe, don't do. If you believe, then you start. And by faith, good faith, you practice. And you practice, you can get anything. And when you get anything, next time you get more. There's endless getting is there.
Thank you very much, and it was.
But sorry, I can't speak good English.
No, it was very good. And,
Because very spelling is also maybe that's why I'm not talking in English. I'm always talking Burmese and Hindi.
We'll speak Pali next time.
thank you very much, and yeah, for your time. Thank you. Can we have a last picture together?
Yes.